Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $2.25 trillion. We're up 3.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 40.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, we are seeing a lot of green across the board, especially in the last 24 hours. We did see a small retracement occur within the markets, but as of recording this video, we are seeing a rebound happening in the cryptocurrency markets, and obviously today is September 1st. So could this be the start of the next leg up for the entire cryptocurrency space? But today, guys, I want to look at Cardano. Alright, my Cardano family, if we are looking at the Cardano price, you guys can see we are currently trading at $2.85. We're up 3.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 0.3% in Bitcoin comparative in the last 24 hours. Cardano's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top third spot. Market cap right now is $91.5 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $3.86 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for ADA, guys, you guys can see ADA is performing very, very strongly, compared to majority of the altcoins. And right now, if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, ADA is still up 2,237%. In just the last 30 days, we're up 117.6%. So, yesterday, I just wanted to point this out for you guys. CNBC came out and they were talking about Cardano on their platform, and this is an exciting news. You may be asking, like, what is a big deal about this? This just goes to show, guys. Usually CNBC talks about Ethereum, Bitcoin, but they are talking about, or XRP, but now they're talking about Cardano, and this really just goes to show how much institutional interest is coming not only on Cardano but in the cryptocurrency space. And this is just a perfect example for you guys right there. And a lot of institutional investors are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as an asset class. Obviously not all of these cryptocurrencies, thousands of cryptocurrencies are going to be here to stay, but there are going to be some of them that are revolutionary and that are going to change the finance world. And Cardano by far is one of them in my personal opinion. But let's deep dive into the ADA charts and see what's exactly going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As you guys can see, ADA has been hovering in this range above this level of support at this $2.48 for the past couple days. As you guys can see, we have been trading sideways for a while, and as you guys can see, we are starting to head back towards newer all-time highs. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, from the all-time highs, ADA is literally down right now just about 4.64%. And if we do get massive spike in the buying pressure kicking in over here, let me show it to you guys. We're not seeing enough buying pressure kick in right now. If we do see more buying pressure come in, I would not be surprised if ADA smash past this level, this newer all-time high of $2.98 and head towards newer all-time highs. You guys know when we do hit newer all-time highs, it's price discovery mode, and literally the sky is the limit for any project when we are in those kind of territories, because there's no level of resistance support. So basically sky's the limit. My target for ADA would be about $3.50 to even possibly $4 if we are able to see enough buying pressure kick in. Obviously, you guys know September 12th is coming. It's very, very close, about almost 2 weeks away. I'm sorry, little over two, little under 2 weeks. And that is going to be a very big day for ADA. So as we approach that date, I do believe we are going to see massive spike in ADA's price happen. But do be prepared, guys. Like, I always like mentioning this to you guys. Yes, we could see some crazy heights this bull cycle. I know the bull cycle is nowhere close to be over, and you know we could see massive gains being made with ADA, because like I said, this reminds me of early Ethereum beginnings. And one thing I want to point out for you guys though is that if we get to September 12th, that's when the Alonzo hard fork is set. So I would not be surprised if we do have some sort of pullback on that day, rather than if ADA just keeps climbing. I would not be surprised at all if we do see a retracement even on September 11th. This usually happens because the sophisticated investors sell the news, and because majority of the people come in and rush, and there's a lot of hype, oh my god, this is happening. But the people that bought back early, you guys cannot forget that. A lot of people seem to forget this part. Like, we keep things 100% realistic on this channel. And there's a lot of people that bought back when ADA was literally 5 cents. Imagine the amount of profits these guys are sitting at right now. And these guys will take profits eventually. And I keep telling each and every one of you guys that, markets are never going to be going up straight forever in one line. There's obviously going to be some sort of retracement that is going to occur. So please play it carefully, especially if you do have massive profits locked in right now. Yes, long-term, future for ADA, sky's the limit. You cannot put a price target on ADA's price long-term. But if you want to maximize your gains, guys, then taking profits would not hurt. This is just my advice to you guys, because trust me, you guys do not want to be greedy. Because when markets do tumble towards the downside, then the profits that you have accumulated, you can get back in and make your holdings even bigger. But at the end of the day, do whatever works for you. But this is just the advice for you guys, because I care about each and every one of you guys, and I want you guys to maximize your growth potential. But that is it for today's update. But let's look at Bitcoin price briefly and see what Bitcoin is doing and where we could be going in the immediate short term for the Bitcoin price, because as you guys know, Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the entire cryptocurrency market. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin did it once again. We saw us go back down to $46,000, had a nice bounce back above this level of support. So this level of support has been playing out very importantly over the past couple of days, and since then we are up quite a bit. Let's bring out the measuring tool for you guys. The bulls came and saved the day, and we are up about 5% since then. I still am a strong believer, even though there is something very interesting happening right now. We are seeing the BTC dominance drop sharply, and the money is not flowing out of the cryptocurrency market. It's staying in the market, meaning that the money is flowing into altcoins rather than Bitcoin. But I do believe that we will see, obviously we're in September now, we're in Q4. I do expect Bitcoin to have a rally towards the upside, hit newer all-time highs, and then we will see, the altcoin rally really occur. But we will see what happens. But so far, so good. I am still expecting, I would not be surprised after I upload this video or even later today that, ADA does hit a newer all-time high, because the charts are literally primed for a massive breakout in my personal opinion. But if we are looking at the staking rewards, guys, this number keeps on growing, and this just goes to show that the level of interest that really is coming into ADA, and I believe this is only going to get bigger as time goes by. One advice I would like to give you guys is that if you are in it for the long haul, let's say you do not care about locking in profits, because that's too much for you, like if you're in for the long haul, let's say the next 5 to 10 years, then staking would be your best strategy in my opinion, because you will earn passive income off your ADA holdings. So over time, it's only going to, compound and get bigger as time goes by. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you guys could see the ADA price go in the immediate short term. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and tell me what you guys are doing. Are you guys staking your ADA? Are you guys buying more? Are you taking profits? Let me know what you guys are doing. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. This really does help the channel a lot. It helps my channel grow. So your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys show me, each and every one of you guys. I love you guys, and your support means the world to me. Thank you once again. Stay safe out there, guys. Please do not forget that safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.